How to fix CapCut smooth slow motion not working. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel and let's get right into this tutorial. If your CapCut smooth slow motion is not working, there is the quick and easy guide to solve it. Firstly, always check for your Wi-Fi connection and make sure that your Wi-Fi is at optimum speed. If not, you can switch over to a mobile data or airplane mode for a couple of seconds, then you can turn it back off and check out your CapCut once again. If not, there might be a bug or the glitch issue that needs to be solved. In order to do so, you can check out your phone settings. In the setting, navigate to the option of apps and head over to all apps. In the all app option, go ahead and search for CapCut. In the CapCut, click on the four-stop button so that any of the mishap in the application can be solved. Now to solve bug or the glitch issue, click on Storage and Cache and tap on the Clear Cache option. Once you do so, the CapCut smooth slow motion not working will be solved. Hopefully this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for tuning in.